Hi, I'm Lou, another episode of My Car Story, and we're here at the greatest muscle car show on the planet, the Muscle Car and Corvette National in Rosemont, Illinois. You're thinking to yourself, really, it's that good. Who am I here with?
Steve Grover.
Steve Grover.
Grover.
And Steve's got a car that caught my attention, so we're going to take a look at that. Let me grab the cameras I usually do. Isaac, thank you so much. You're welcome. Appreciate your help. Steve, what do you have here today?
I have a
for us?
1970 Boss 302, all original.
And what color is it?
It is medium red.
Medium red, which is the only red for this car. Come on back with me.
Yes, sir.
And thank you. When you look at that coming at you, why the Boss of all cars?
I got bit.
How'd you get bit?
I bought one, had a buddy have one, and seen it and fell in love with it.
So you got a Boss buddy.
Yeah, I got a couple Boss buddies now.
so are you in the Boss registry?
Yes, this car is in the Boss registry. All these guys here that are the other lineup here, they're all Boss.
Look at this, just Boss. Okay, so yeah, it's that kind of show. Usually you're lucky. Come on with me, Steve.
Right.
Usually we're lucky to see one Boss at a show.
Oh yeah, they're very rare cars. This is a W code car.
What does that mean to me?
It come with a 430 gear and an oil cooler.
And we're going to take a look at all that in a second. That's a good looking car, and that's a reflective stripe.
It just finished a total restoration.
Just finished the first show. So we're getting the exclusive. Has anyone videoed this car ever?
No, sir.
This is the first video?
This is the first video.
Well, it's going to be great. So let me just give you all the details, and people can pause on that anytime they want. Steve, what's your wife's name?
Kathy.
Kathy, we're going to be here, so you know what he's doing, okay? He's not out there chasing anybody. He's here polishing his car and thinking of you because he was texting you just before we got the chance to do this video. But you've got all the stats here. Where did you find this car?
Yeah, this is all available. This was under the build sheet was found underneath the carpet.
Really?
The Imager report.
This one?
You can still get the, that's a Marty report.
Yeah, that's the all-important, that's the Bible.
You can still get that. Marty can give you those. The $9.99 underneath of that is another direct from Ford. And
this is what tells you that you're buying the real deal.
Yeah, that tells you all the options it had.
Okay, all right. So let's take a look at the back end of it. I think, I'm going to be a little biased here, Steve. You might agree with me. I think the best back end of any Mustang ever. The blackened end, the spoiler, the louvers, and the stance. Let's just get. I almost.
It just looks like a muscle car.
Yeah, I mean the great stance right there. I mean it just looks great. It's really, let people take a look at that from the side. Come on with me, Steve. Boy, you talk Mustang. You see why they brought the retro version back, right? In like 2005. Let's open the door for a second. And it's a little bit dark in here. I'm gonna see where I've got. Do you have your? I'm gonna try to get my cell phone. Do you have a light on the back of your cell phone, by chance? That's even better. Can I borrow that for a second? Let's look at that. So we can see, usually I have that on my phone. This is even better. Has this car been judged? I mean, this car looks...
This weekend is his first getting concourse judged.
This car looks perfect.
That was my goal.
So now, I mean, are you going to be able to get the...
That's a radio delete car, too. See, there's no radio?
Oh, yeah.
That plate alone is worth a minute.
Really?
To try and find one.
Let's look at the top of that. So do you drive this car? Or is it just a show car?
Well, that's what I bought the 13 for, because now, unfortunately, it's too nice to drive.
Too nice to drive. Well, I hope you get the chance to drive it once in a while, because this is really a treat. Look out the back window there. You can see that. Yeah, all of the... Just looks fantastic. Just spectacular. Let's take a look under the hood. I'm going to keep this light for just a second while we look under the hood. Oh yeah, that's tremendous. Look at all the tags. Boy, I'm interested.
Stickers.
I'm interested to hear what the judges say about this.
Me too.
I mean, you know, just spectacular, right? You know, no matter what the judges say, quite honestly, it's okay. It's okay. With the details here, you can pause on that if you like and read some of that, but this is exactly how it came from the factory.
It's as close as I can get it.
This is really the beauty of the muscle car and Corvette National, is to see something like this. Quite honestly. I mean, look at the tags.
You should see the underneath is just as impressive as the top.
Well, we're not going to pick it up. I can tell you that right now. Although I wouldn't mind.
The detail, I mean, the suspension is detailed.
Look at the horns up here.
That's the oil cooler. That's the W code. This makes it a rare car. This oil cooler, and when you ordered the 430 gears,
yeah,
you got the oil cooler.
Where's the build tag? Usually
the build sheet is on the, oh, mine? Oh,
yeah, like on it, there's usually
a tag right there.
There's what we're looking for. And where's that code you just mentioned? Is it on there?
Yeah, on here it's not going to have it. It's on the build sheet itself. Yeah, this gives you the paint code, and the trim, the interior color. And
well, let's start it.
Let's see if she'll start.
Oh, she'll start. I get the feeling she'll start. She's brand spanking new. She's brand spanking new. She'll start.
I'm gonna look there.
Let's get a little exhaust note. I think you got take the reverse lights off for a second. There we go. Oh, that's a nice loping cam sound. Come on out, Steve. That's a nice loping cam sound, isn't it? There we go. Let's have you hop on out. Let's shut the hood. Stand right next to her. Steve, what a real treat to see. How much time did it take to do this car?
Well, it's been on down for about 3 years.
3 years.
Yeah, I blew the motor up, and when I pulled the motor up, it started to what you see now.
How do you feel now about it?
Oh, I love it.
It's absolutely gorgeous. First of all, thanks for being on My Car Story. A great car and a wonderful video that you're going to have to show other people of the finished product. Thanks for being on My Car Story.
Thank you.